More the number of rich pins you're gonna post in your boards, more will be the link clicks to your Pinterest account. That means more will be the link clicks to your affiliate products also. So this is the part 2 video of Pinterest affiliate marketing. In this video, you're gonna learn how to get more link clicks on Pinterest and growing organically on Pinterest with rich pin. And if you're first time here, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. So this is a Pinterest series which I'm running here, so I highly recommend you to get into my playlist and watch these 2 videos on Pinterest and smash this like button, guys. You don't need a website, you don't need paid ads. It's a free traffic to sell your affiliate products and make money with free traffic. So this is the content distribution plan for my Pinterest account, and I will highly recommend you to follow this strategy. And that is, guys, 90 to 95% of the content, the pins which you're uploading, that should be the content which is providing values to you, the user base of Pinterest as well as your target audience, and only 5 to 10% of affiliate promotion. You have to remember this, right? Pinterest or any other social media are not the platform of affiliate selling, okay? They are not web stores, so you have to provide values to their user base, okay? So that is the reason 90 to 95% of content and only 5 to 10% of affiliate promotion. Pinterest pin plays a big role to drive the traffic to your Pinterest account. Images and videos, their titles and description, all you have to optimize. Last few of the video I showed you Pinterest profile SEO, Pinterest board SEO, as well as Pinterest pin. So now, guys, in Pinterest pin is the key to drive, right, link clicks to your affiliate links as well as in your account. The number one thing you have to do is the relevance. What does it mean, relevancy here? Your image and the text overlay on the image, as well as your title, your description, as well as the hashtag and the destination site should be relevant. Okay, so for example, here you can see 5 journaling exercise to help you manifest your dream life. This is the text overlay of this pin. As well as if you can seeing this is exactly the relevant here, right? 5 journaling exercise to help you manifest your dream life. Okay, and if you can see the description, journaling exercise to help you to get clear your vision. Okay, so same thing. And if you can see the hashtag, also very relevant hashtag, 5 relevant hashtag, journaling prompt, and mindset coach. Okay, and if you go to their destination side, you're going to see the same thing, 5 journaling exercise to help you to manifest your dream life. This is one practice which you have to do. And also you have to remember one thing, each of this pin should post into the relevant board only. For example, if you see this pin here, how I manifest anything with a journal, my secret way to manifest anything with journal. Okay, this pin is talking about journal, so this is not a very good pin for my money manifestation board or manifestation for beginner board. It is more relevant to my board called manifestation journal. Yes, of course, you can post manifesting with journal in your manifestation beginner board also. Okay, no doubt in this, but Pinterest best practice is to post most relevant board, and that is like manifestation journal. If you're not doing this, guys, you're gonna easily lose your account. Okay, so this is what people are telling you in their YouTube videos, right? Just type the keyword here, manifestation for beginner, and start saving all these pins. Okay, guys, so here you're not going to find the relevant pins to the board. Okay, so make sure you're finding the relevant content. For example, guys, look at this pin here, 8 terrible habits to avoid if you want to manifest money. This can be more relevant to my money manifestation board, okay, but not my manifestation general board, or not a manifestation for beginner board. Okay, but generally people are telling you to save. No, spend little time, guys, here and find out what is relevant to your board. Okay, for example, like if I am looking something to my manifestation for beginner board, I'm going to find out what is very relevant for it. Look at this one. This can be very relevant, manifestation for beginner. This can be very good for me on this board. Okay, manifestation for beginner. So hope you got some idea, right, how to get a amazing pin. As well as, guys, if you do this, what other videos are teaching you, like save, you're also not able to find which is a rich pin. Now this is my point number 2 which you have to follow. You have to find the rich pin. So the first thing is just type the relevant keyword of your account. Okay, for example, my account is based on manifestation or money manifestation. Then find the people here who is producing their own content. That is really, really important here. Here I'm not going to follow any account who is doing affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm going to follow those account who is producing their own content, and then guys I'm going to follow at least 50 accounts which is equivalent in my niche, okay, who are into my niche. Okay, not in one day. Again I repeat guys, do not overdo anything in Pinterest. Only write 3 or 4 I'm going to follow today, and then tomorrow I'm going to follow 3 and 4, something like that. Okay, so that's you have to keep in mind. For example, if you can see, all of these people are into my niche. Okay, so I'm going to get into each of this account and I'm going to see whether this is relevant to me or not. Example, like if I'm going to click this, this is like Blessing Manifesting, and I want to see whether she's creating her own content. If you can see, blessingmanifesting.com. okay, so she is creating more her own content. And then guys I'm going to find more account. Okay, so I'm going to see the Mindset Manifestation Coach, right? I think she's having her own, yeah, she's having her own post, and this is what I want. So I'm going to follow this. That's it guys. I'm not going to do anything overdo, as I said. Okay, so now once I have it, I'm going to find their content, and I'm going to see whether how much traffic she's driving to her website. So for that, click here and look at this. This is the website owned by her. I just want to know how much traffic this website is driving. For that, I'm going to take the URL of this account from here guys, and then I will go to a free keyword research tool called Ubersuggest. This is from by Neil Patel, one of the top affiliate digital marketer of the world. And then you can put the keyword here, the domain here, and then you will see the score of this website. Here you can see this website is driving like organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, right? And you can also see the domain score, which is 42, which is showing good. So right now you can see how this account is growing, how many visitors this page is getting, this website is getting, all these things. And also you can see the from where she's driving tons of traffic, like US, UK, Canada, Australia. Also you can see which of these pages, okay, her pages is driving more traffic, for which you can use to create your flash pin. Okay, you can click here, you'll get idea of which of her page is driving tons of traffic, and you can create your flash pin. Okay, like look at this, law of attraction tips for beginner. So if you have a board, law of attraction tips for beginner, you can create a flash pin using this page. Okay, like how I manifested love. If I click this one, you're gonna see, right, how I manifested love, law of attraction success story. Now if you have a board, you can use this URL to create your flash pin, or you already got a clear message that she is creating her own content, as well as her website is driving tons of good traffic from Google as well as Pinterest also. Okay, that what does it mean for you? If you save more content, if you share more pins of her in your boards, in your account, you will also going to get tons of organic traffic, and you'll grow your Pinterest account organic. So now let me go here and let me do some more variation like this. Let me go to this account called Law of Attraction, and let me copy the URL of this, and let me go to Ubersuggest here, and let me put this one here. And if I search, so now you can see these guys organic keywords, right? So organic keywords are more than as compared to that website. Okay, and organic monthly traffic is more. Okay, domain score is very good, right? And you can see how the traffic is flowing there, right? And all these things. Now guys, it is very clear idea for you from where this page or website is driving the traffic. And also you can see their traffic is coming from Facebook, right? If you're running a Facebook ad, you know that, right? They have a big Facebook page there. So that's why they are getting a lot of traffic from Facebook, and they're also getting traffic from Pinterest, and also they are getting the traffic from the Google search. If you save their pins more to your relevant board, again relevancy is the keyword, right? A relevant board, for example, like law of attraction tips to increase the power of your thoughts. Okay, I can save this to my board here. If I have a law of attraction board, look at this board, I can save it. So now I am having a very good idea that which page or which account is driving good organic monthly traffic from Google as well as from Pinterest. Okay, so more I'm going to use their pages to save more traffic I'm going to get. That doesn't mean guys you're going to save all her content to your page. If you do this, your account will get suspended. If you save from this page also, if you're going to save all from this page only to your page, if you pin that way, that also something like overdoing. Okay, and you're gonna lost your account. That is the reason guys I told you to follow like 50 relevant pages. Okay, you can also get some idea, right, which page these accounts are following, and you can check each of this account whether it is relevant to you or not. And overall guys, you have to find a page who is creating their own content, which website have their good traffic, which you can find from Uber Suggest, and you will get a lot of ideas which pin you have to create. Another way of finding a rich pin or rich account is just type your keyword here, law of attraction, and here you can see so many pins which is ranking. That also mean guys, if you're gonna save this, right, you'll also gonna get like tons of traffic, but make sure, right, it should be relevant. Okay, just because it is ranking here, it is not relevant. Okay, so if you can see this, right, this is law of attraction code to manifest a better life, but I don't think so I have any board related with this, but I can do the research about this, who is running this account, what account this is all about, right, and what she is posting. Now I can easily say, right, none of my board is matching from this. Okay, if this is more into like living or like personal development, then I don't have any board related with that right now. You must create the board, right, slowly more boards, like how they're creating different boards. Okay, and they're also ranking here, but meanwhile this is not a very good post for me, but I have different posts here, right? Look at this, how to manifest anything into your reality. So what I'm going to do, right, this is very good. I can post to the relevant board. Relevancy is the key. Yeah, manifestation for beginner, I can save in this. Okay, as well as I will also going to spend little time on finding how much traffic this website is getting, who is the blogger here, right? This way I'm going to post more rich pins. I'm going to get a lot of relevant account to post here, and I'm going to drive good traffic also. But now the thing is guys, how many posts or the pin you have to post in a day if you're starting out? That is my point number 3 here, which you have to keep in mind. It should be like 10 to 15 rich pins. Right now you are very clear what is rich pin is. Okay, 10 to 15 rich pin throughout the day. So if you do the Google search or YouTube search guys, you're going to get like somebody was telling like 30 pins, right, 40 pins and 50 pins. Guys, I tried with all those things, but trust me, if you're starting out, 10 to 15 pin throughout the day, you're not posting in one particular time. Spread that 10 to 15 rich pin, rich content. And my 4th important point is guys, be consistent here. It is not like someday you're posting 10 and another you're posting 15 and then someday you're not posting. If you selected like 10 and you have a 5 board, that means 2 rich pins in each of your board. Okay, be consistent with that, right, until you're not getting good traffic, okay, for 1 month and 2 months. So, and my 5th important point is like Pinterest favor fresh pins. Okay, so more you're going to post fresh pins to your boards, you're going to get like good traffic here, and you'll grow organically as well as you're going to bring a lot of link click. Hope you enjoyed this video, you learned from this video. In my next video guys, I'm going to show you, right, how you can do affiliate marketing, as well as I'm also going to show you affiliate policies and spam policies, what you have to follow before you're going to do the affiliate marketing on a right way. So hope you learned a lot in this video. If you learned this, got valued, smash that like button guys, like the video right away right now, and subscribe my channel, and make sure before you go you must watch these 2 videos. One will show you keyword research, 4 different strategies, as well as another video will help you to do SEO with your profile, boards and pin.